The robots are coming for your job. It's not a movie plot, it's the reality we're facing. Artificial intelligence is automating tasks at an unprecedented rate, and the impact on the job market is undeniable. But before you panic, let's explore which jobs are truly at risk, which industries are facing the biggest disruptions, and how you can future-proof your career in this AI-driven world. Don't stress, we're not here to scare you. We're diving deep into the AI revolution to uncover which jobs are most at risk, the industry's getting a major shakeup, and the surprising winners and losers in this high-stakes AI race. We'll even drop some knowledge on how to future-proof your career so you can stay ahead of the curve. So, grab your thinking caps and let's get real about AI and the future of work. The AI job apocalypse, separating fact from fiction. All right, let's clear the air. Headlines scream about AI stealing jobs, but is it all just clickbait? The truth is, it's complicated. AI is transforming the workplace, but it's not a simple case of robots replacing humans overnight. Some jobs are definitely at higher risk than others. Think repetitive tasks, data entry, and even some creative fields. But AI is also creating new jobs we haven't even imagined yet. It's like a game of musical chairs with some jobs disappearing while others pop up unexpectedly. The key is to understand the trends and adapt your skills accordingly. But which jobs are the most vulnerable? And which industries are facing the biggest shakeup? We'll be revealing the top contenders for AI disruption in our next chapter, so stay tuned. The biggest losers. Jobs AI could replace sooner than you think. Buckle up because this is where things get interesting. We're about to expose the jobs that are most likely to be taken over by AI in the next decade. And trust me, it's not just the blue-collar jobs you might expect. Let's check some of the jobs and the reason behind it. Truck drivers. Long-haul truckers, watch out! Self-driving trucks are already being tested, and they could hit the highway sooner than you think. This could displace millions of drivers, leaving a major impact on the transportation industry. Telemarketers. Say goodbye to those annoying robocalls. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are already handling customer service inquiries and sales calls, leaving telemarketers scrambling for new gigs. Cashiers. Self-checkout kiosks are popping up everywhere, and they're only getting smarter. As AI-powered payment systems become more efficient, cashiers could become a thing of the past. Data entry clerks. If your job involves manually entering data into spreadsheets, you might want to start brushing up your resume. AI is incredibly efficient at data processing, making data entry jobs increasingly obsolete. But these are just a few examples. What other jobs are on the chopping block? And are there any industries that are completely safe from AI disruption? We'll be revealing the full list in our next chapter, so don't go anywhere. The unexpected victims, white-collar jobs in AI's crosshairs. Okay, now let's shatter some misconceptions. You might think that white-collar jobs are safe from the AI takeover, but think again. AI isn't just about replacing manual labor. It's about automating tasks that require cognitive skills, and that includes some surprising professions. Time to explore some of them. Financial analysts. Think those complex financial models are too intricate for AI? Think again. AI algorithms can crunch numbers, analyze market trends, and even generate investment recommendations faster and more accurately than humans. This could leave many financial analysts scrambling to prove their worth. Graphic designers. Move over, Photoshop wizards. AI-powered design tools are already creating logos, website layouts, and even marketing materials with minimal human input. This could put a dent in the demand for graphic designers, especially those who specialize in more routine tasks. Journalists and content creators. Hold on to your hats, wordsmiths. AI is already churning out news articles, product descriptions, and even social media posts. While it might not replace the need for human creativity and storytelling, it could definitely disrupt the media landscape and lead to job displacement in certain areas. Lawyers. Think AI can't handle the complexities of the legal system? Think again. AI-powered tools are being used to draft contracts, analyze legal documents, and even predict the outcomes of court cases. While this could streamline legal processes, it could also reduce the demand for paralegals and other legal professionals who perform more routine tasks. Now hold on to your hats, because the surprises don't stop there. In our next chapter, we'll uncover the most unexpected jobs that AI could potentially replace. And trust me, it's not what you think. We'll also reveal the industries that are poised to thrive in the AI era, the unexpected winners and the industries AI can't touch. All right, now for a plot twist. While AI might be gunning for some jobs, it's actually creating opportunities and even boosting demand in others. Therapists and mental health professionals. In an increasingly digital world, the need for human connection and emotional support is more important than ever. AI-powered therapy tools can help, but they can't replace the empathy and understanding of a human therapist. Teachers and educators. While AI can personalize learning experiences and automate grading, it can't replicate the passion and guidance of a human teacher. The demand for educators who can leverage AI to enhance learning outcomes is only going to grow. Creative professionals. Think AI can replace artists, musicians, and writers? Think again. AI might be able to generate content, but it lacks the spark of human creativity and originality. In fact, AI could even open up new avenues for creative expression and collaboration. Healthcare professionals. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, but it won't replace doctors, nurses, and other caregivers. Instead, it will augment their abilities, allowing them to focus on patient care while AI handles data analysis, diagnosis, and treatment planning. Also, check some of these real-world examples. OpenAI's ChatGPT is being used to streamline customer service and marketing tasks. IBM's Watson is assisting doctors in diagnosing and treating cancer. AI-powered tools are helping artists create new forms of music and art. And the industries that are poised to thrive? Think healthcare, education, technology, and any field that requires creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving skills. These are areas where AI can augment human capabilities, not replace them. But how can you prepare for the AI-powered future of work? What skills should you focus on developing to stay ahead of the curve? We'll be revealing the secrets to future-proofing your career in our next chapter, so don't miss it. Future-proof your career, thriving in the AI age. All right, folks, now that we've explored the dark side of AI, let's talk about how you can not only survive, but thrive in this brave new world. The key? Adaptability, creativity, and a willingness to embrace change. First and foremost, embrace lifelong learning. AI is constantly evolving, so your skills need to evolve too. Invest in yourself by learning new technologies, developing your soft skills like communication and problem solving, and staying up to date on the latest industry trends. Tip 1. Embrace continuous learning and upskilling. Think of it like a software update for your brain. The more you learn, the more valuable you become in the job market. Next, cultivate your creativity and human skills. While AI might excel at data analysis and automation, it can't replicate human creativity, empathy, or critical thinking. These are the skills that will set you apart from the machines and make you an indispensable asset. Tip 2. Develop your creativity, critical thinking, and interpersonal skills. Focus on the things that make you uniquely human. Your ability to connect with others, to think outside the box, and to bring a fresh perspective to the table. And finally, don't be afraid to leverage AI to your advantage. AI isn't just a threat. It's a tool that can amplify your skills and make you more productive. Use AI-powered tools to automate tedious tasks, gather insights, and even brainstorm new ideas. Embrace AI as your co-pilot, not your competitor. So there you have it, Tech Explorers, your guide to not just surviving, but thriving in the AI age. Remember, the future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together to build a better world. By embracing AI's potential while staying vigilant about its risks, we can create a future where technology empowers us, not replaces us. Now it's your turn. Have you started incorporating AI into your work or personal life? What steps are you taking to future-proof your career? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of AI there, where we'll continue to explore the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence.